Good evening guys and welcome to my new video. I'm again here on Haaparanta and now it's a little better explain what I mean before, how they can compare that rig against the load. As you see now, there is that one camera and it's same level. What is that? That rig. Here is a tape. As you see, the camera is that same level. What is that tape there? I don't know. See you that black. But now they can compare that. How long is that high, and they watching how fast is that load. I'm not gonna explain anymore because I've explained before on previous video. Yes, but now I make work with computer and then continue to Finland. I'm not remember, maybe first time when I film unloading of timber. We have unloading here if we come on daytime, but now on night time we have to unload ourselves here. But that's not problem. Lightweight spruce timber. Not so heavy. Now it's Monday evening. This week's first night shift, and this is my third load today. I delivered to pulp mill one load and one load to power plant. That ugly ship wood again. That was a really ugly ship wood. Oh. Oi. When I unload this, I drive home and clock is now? About, oh, I'm not have a clock here. Oh, about middle night. This sawmill not open on night time. They work it only. I think they work only one shift, one day shift. And this is almost brand new sawmill. They built that. Oh, actually, they make only new sawmill. That old is. Where is that? Is that there? But that new is there. This is a very modern sawmill here. As usually in Finland. Here's a very modern sawmill. As you see, we not unload every truck to same pile here. As you see, there is tilted wood between. We have to separate every load here. Oj. Oh yeah, no, spin. I try to do high and short pile here. Not look good if you unload very low and long. Here is not so much space on this unloading place. It's a little bit difficult unload here because this is a little bit downhill. Not only can put like this. If you throw that only, that's fall downhill, too downhill, and not good. You have to move truck. You have to move truck and lift back that timber what spinning downhill to downhill. Can I put this here? Or come big mess. Don't spin. As you see now, it's been start spinning. On summer this is a lot of easier because wood is not so icy and slippery then. Ui. I have to save too long and strong wood. I take these two. Take these two and I tell why. Because when you unload your wood to ground, we have to separate this pile like this. This is like a quiet rules every place. When you unload your load, you have to put this wood like this, and next truck come and that can unload there. Very easy. At lunchtime, heat up too much. It's hot. Not can eat yet.